Hello guys and welcome to Motorbeam. Both the cars right next to me are the new Kodiaks that you are gonna get. Pricing is not out yet when I'm shooting the video, but probably I'll mention in the description. This is just a walk around on what you get in this car anymore. First thing to notice and to mention out is DCC has been taken away. That is dynamic chassis control has been taken away. Basically जो adaptive suspension था वो निकाल दिया गया है. लेकिन ये कार्स और ज़्यादा फीचर्स के साथ आने वाली है, लेकिन सेम इंजन के साथ आती है. थोड़ा पावर चेंज कर दिया गया है. 2 लीटर TSI or 2 liter turbo petrol engine has been there as it was, but it produces 204 horsepower and 320 newton meters of torque, and the cars weigh a little bit more. When I'm saying cars over here, I'm not calling it SUVs because internationally they are called as station wagons, and over here it is considered as an SUV and it competes with the likes of the Fortuner and all of that. But then again, to tell you guys, these are the more powerful variants as they were from before. सबसे पहला चेंज यहाँ पे आपको ग्रिल में मिलने वाला है. देयर आर टू वेरिएंट्स ओवर हियर. दिस इज अ स्पोर्टलाइन वेरिएंट, दिस इज द LNK वेरिएंट. LNK वेरिएंट में आपको यहाँ पे एक DRL मिल जाएगा जो रन थ्रू होता है पूरे ग्रिल के साथ, एंड ये ग्रिल का डिज़ाइन थोड़ा क्रोम के साथ ऐड किया गया है, एंड देयर इज अ मल्टी कलर फिनिश ओवर हियर विद दिस स्पेसिफिक कलर दैट इज ओनली देयर फॉर द LNK वेरिएंट. हाउएवर द स्पोर्टलाइन वेरिएंट डज नॉट हाउस that LED DRL going through. You still get those matrix headlight setup that is there, एंड जो ऑडी और वोक्सवैगन को मिलता है ना, मैट्रिक्स एलईडीज यहाँ पे ऐड किए गए हैं. दोनों गाड़ी में आते हैं आपको, तो यू विल नॉट मिस आउट ऑन दैट, बट इट विल टेक फॉर दैट मैट्रिक्स थिंग टू फंक्शन for a few months because until now the ADAS testing has not completed, and even though you have that equipment going around, you will not be able to retrofit it. तो वो ADAS function के साथ matrix LEDs वैसे काम नहीं करेंगे. You get 18 inches on both the cars, but there is a difference in the alloys over here. Here you get the traditional design for the alloys. If you can come close and see, ये proper 10-spoke alloys का setup मिल जाता है आपको यहाँ पे. However, there's a difference for the LNK variant where you get kind of an aero design, but it's like EV makes aero design वैसा, and this one actually increases the efficiency, aero efficiency. If you notice, there is a C-shaped design to the tail lights, which is a newer design. You get this connected thing over here, but it is not a connected light. However, connected piece मिल जाता है, which is kind of a reflector thing. Skoda logo is also finished in chrome kind of a design, but it is shaded chrome, brighter color to be honest. But then again, if you look at the color scheme for the logos for the Sportline, this is dark. For the Skoda, Kodiaq, everything, all the logos over here are in dark. Before you get inside, I had to showcase this line that goes all the way from the start to the end, and if you look at the side silhouette of this car, this one looks longer, and the reason being that it is longer by 15 mm compared to what it was earlier, and that comes into play because of the same MQB platform but for more space being accommodated. Boot space भी increase कर दिया गया है. Basic boot space is now 281 liters. If you drop down the first set of rows, let me show you. आ जाओ पीछे आ जाओ. पावर टेल गेट आराम से मिल जाता है आपको. आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ यू कैन सी दिस और नॉट राइट नाउ, बट द फर्स्ट सेट ऑफ रोज आर गॉन. यहाँ तक आपको दिख रहा है, एंड दिस इज क्लोज टू 281 से ज़्यादा 786 लीटर्स हो जाता है. देर इज अ बटन ओवर हियर जस्ट टू पुल दिस and that seat will go ahead. Same for the second set, and if it goes flat, you get close to 2000 liters of boot space capacity. So that is also possible on the new Kodiaq, and power tailgate ऐसा मस्त से बंद हो जाता है. The interior of the Sportline is finished in suede, black, Alcantara जो mix बोलते हैं वो मिलता है आपको यहाँ पे, and stitching आपको दी गई है. Very nice infotainment system has been added over which is of 13 inches, and you can turn it off and on by the button over here. Lock button has been placed in the center, a hazard light over here, and the AC vents are right in between. उसके नीचे आपको मिलता है नॉबी फंक्शंस, और नॉबी फंक्शंस आपको बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आएंगे क्योंकि यू गेट मल्टीपल फंक्शंस एंड यू कैन सेट इट अकॉर्डिंग टू द वे यू वांट इट. The Sportline variant does not get massage function and does not get ventilation, but you get heated seats, dual zone multi zone climate control मिल जाता है, and that can be switched using this. So press the button and then you can change the temperature and do whatever you want. Plus there are button fields going throughout the car. This is the center console, and center console has been put in a very nice manner. If you notice, आपको यहाँ पे डबल चार्जिंग का स्पॉट मिल जाता है फॉर वायरलेस चार्जिंग. there's a cup holders, smart cup holders, की के लिए जगह यहाँ पे मिला गया है. यहाँ पे ज़्यादा बॉक्सेस मिले गए हैं, so I can just keep stuff over here and it feels quite nice. If you notice the steering wheel over here, you get 3-spoke setup for the Sportline variant, and you get aluminum pedals below. However, in the LNK variant, it's a little bit different. This one has an overall dark theme, even on the top, even on the bottom, and this illuminated light goes throughout the center console as well as on the doors. Earlier in the older variant, it was only on the doors, but यहाँ पे भी वो finish add किया गया है. Let's get on to the LNK. As soon as you enter the LNK variant, you can notice there is a huge set of difference over here because of the brighter interior. मैंने sunroof खोल दिया है just to get a better view, and you can see the brown set of leather seats coming into place over here. This feels a lot more premiumish. It feels a lot more comfortable, and overall you also get ventilation function for the front set of seats. You also get heating function for the front set of seats. You also get massage function in the same infotainment system. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, यहाँ पे आपको massage function मिल जाता है for the front passenger as well as the driver, and you can multiple functions, आपको जैसा चाहिए वैसा function आप use कर सकते हो, and you can relax even while driving. So that is something that has been added. For the LNK variant, there is an LNK badging which has been added in the center over here, and you get 2-spoke steering wheels. This is now a 3-spoke, and everything else is almost pretty much the same. If you notice, there's one thing: the door over there for my camera person is open. The brightness or the illumination is in red, while the illumination over here is in a white color. So this is something that's a safety function. यहाँ पे भी देखोगे कि white में है, but for that door because it's open वो red में है, तो थोड़ा simply clever Skoda वाला scene यहाँ पे चल रहा है. The drive selector knob is not on the center console. It is right sitting behind your steering wheel. यहाँ पे है, and you can just move up and back, front and back, and get it into sport, drive, reverse, whatever you want to call it. 13-inch the infotainment cluster over here gives you tons of details. ADAS functions are not really open as of yet. वो आ जाएंगे कुछ time में. You get this park feature, park assist, which is there. But then one thing, the auto start stop is on the touchscreen. There's no button that's been put on the car. For the rear passenger seat, you can recline, you can move it ahead or back. जैसे मैंने आगे किया पीछे किया, you can adjust it for the rear set of passengers too. And मैं इसको यहाँ पे recline भी कर सकता हूँ, looking for your comfort. But rear seats do not get ventilation, heating, ये सब कुछ extra नहीं मिलता आपको यहाँ पे. Although you get this, a tablet holder or a phone holder. मैं आराम से अपना phone यहाँ पे रख सकता हूँ. मेरे को कुछ देखना है, मेरे को tablet लगाना है, अपने हिसाब से I can play around with the car. You also get this very nice touch for the sunshade which has been there from the previous car, and this is a comfortable place to be. So if you want to be chauffeur driven too, you will not have any kind of disappointment as such. Same case for the older car as well, and same case goes on for this too. However, there is one thing that has been added. This is an accessory for what I think this is a center console का extra piece, like simple clever Skoda again, to keep your stuff. आपको phone रखना है, bottle रखना है, कुछ रखना है, यहाँ से नीचे लगा के ये ऐसा पैक कर दिया. However, if you will have 3 passengers sitting in the middle, ये थोड़ा bother कर सकता है यार. Let me try and get inside the third row, and if it is spacious enough for an adult like me, to be very honest, I'm sitting barely. मेरे कैमरा पर्सन को भी हंसी आ गई because this is how it looks like. इसको सीट को ये किया, and probably I might have some space to just be fitted inside, but I guess that's about it. If this seat stays ahead, I'll get out. I just get out right now. Skoda Clever फंक्शन में बहुत सारी चीज़ भी आता है यहाँ पे. As you notice, रेड लाइट तो आपको दिखा दिया था, लेकिन यहाँ पे you get a dustbin as well. डस्टबिन दिख नहीं रहा है तो ये देखिए यहाँ पे डस्टबिन है. You can just put a dustbin bag over here and you can just lock this in. So this is also a thing that's there. To open the boot, there's a button right over here. तो मैं ये पुल करके बटन से boot भी ओपन कर सकता हूँ. But the best thing is this. छाता मिलता है bro, छाता on a Skoda. Skoda का छाता. This is the LNK variant, and let's talk about the price. That is something that we don't know right now, and I can expect this one to be priced close to 55 lakh rupees ex showroom. And if it does that, it will be close to 60-62 on road Mumbai, which is a fair price competing with the Fortuner. But then again, you get a ton of features with this car. How it drives, how it feels, इसका engine का performance कैसा है, इसका वीडियो कल आएगा at 11 o'clock, and I'm gonna tell you a lot of other things too. इसका headlight performance कैसा है, how it feels to drive. DCC has been taken off, but is the suspension tune good enough for your kind of driving? If you want to drive, if you want to sit in the second row, which one is better, which one feels better? So you know what, subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow with a review video of this one. See you, bye bye.